On the edge of a small village lived a boy named Hamza. Every Eid, he watched others bring big animals for sacrifice. But this year, he and his mother had only one small goat, their only way to survive. His mother said softly, "Beta, maybe we should keep it." Hamza stayed quiet. The next morning, he saw a child crying. They had nothing for Qurbanity. Hamza walked home, heart heavy but clear. "Ummi," he said, "let's give our goat to them. Allah sees our intention." His mother hesitated, then nodded. That Eid, Hamza had nothing to sacrifice, but his heart felt full, and later the neighbors shared their meat with him, because sometimes giving when you have the least is the greatest sacrifice.